In this lecture, you will learn about common special escape sequences. Clear out everything in between the opening and the closing tags, and echo out a string with just some text. Always remember to use double quotes as I mentioned in the previous lecture. For this example, echo within double quotes, I put hello, world. Add a \n just before the word world. I will explain about this in a bit. Add one more echo statement with break, so the next echo will be on the next line. So echo nothing /t burger. Go to the browser page and refresh it. You may not see any effect. It doesn't change anything on the browser page. Why? Because the intended use of \n, or we call new line, or \t, or we call tab, is to format plain text. Applications such as generating text files, Excel sheets, etc. make use of it. For now, you right-click on the page and click View Page Source. You can see that the word world has been placed on the next line and the word burger is tabbed or moved a bit. The space of a tab depends on the browser or the system you're using. We will discuss this more when we build complex applications. If you wanted to add double quotes within double quotes, we use / just before the inner double quotes. Add a break statement. For example, echo she said, / double quotes, hello, world, /, then end quotes of the inner double quotes, and then outer double quotes. Here, the inner double quotes will be ignored when PHP reads / within the double quotes. Let's see how it looks on the page. Go back to the browser and refresh the page and see that the double quotes have been escaped within the echo statement. To prevent variable interpolation within double quotes, we also add \. For example, add a break statement. Echo within double quotes, this is a $sign. Remember, $sign always constitutes to a variable. So it looks for a variable, otherwise it will throw an error when you print out just the $sign. Colon, $, in quotes. Now go to the page and refresh. Here you go. The $sign is treated as a string as opposed to a variable. To escape a single quote within a single quotes, we also use \. For example, echo it '(s). So the apostrophe is basically a single quote. To escape that, we add a \ just before the apostrophe. Then beautiful day, exclamation, then end single quote. Or before this echo statement, let's add a break statement, so that way it will add to the next line. And go back to the page and refresh. Here you go. It shows it's a beautiful day. So to read more about PHP special sequences, go to PHP's official website. I'll link that in the resource section of this lecture. In the next lecture, you will learn about arrays and constants. Until then, see you.